Hello viewers and welcome to yet another video. As usual, to my subscribers, big thank you. For persons watching for the first time, welcome to the channel. If you find the video informational and useful to you, then remember to like, share and subscribe. If you're interested in learning to clean a vehicle from home, then you need to keep watching, because I'm going to explain to you step by step as to exactly how you can do this from home without the use of any equipment. So what are some of the things you're going to be needing in order to clean the vehicle at home and to get respectable results? You're going to need at least 2 buckets. You're going to need a bucket with water, and you're going to need a bucket with detergent. You're going to also need at least 2 microfiber towel. I'll explain why shortly. If you can get a spray bottle, that's fine. You can use a spray bottle to put your mixture of detergent for the cleaning purpose. You will also need a brush to brush the seats, and you're going to need some detergent. Now, I have a list of detergents that you can choose from. Whichever it is that you would rather to work with, that's fine. So any all-purpose cleaner can be used mixed with water, and it's a cleaning agent, so it will assist in removing dirt from the seat or even mild stains. If you want, also you can use a degreaser, and this is concentrated, so it needs to be mixed. So this, for the degreaser, it is half a quarter cup, to 1 liter of water. You also have upholstery and rug cleaner, and this is concentrated as well, so you need to have this mixed water. If you go to the chemical store, you can access something like this: carpet and upholstery shampoo. This spray bottle contains approximately 1 liter of water. So if you want to do the mixture, a bottle of that size will give you 1 liter, and for quarter cup of detergent, it will look something like this. It is not a lot, and you don't need a lot of detergent. Reason being, it's going to make the solution extremely solid, and if that happens, the soap is going to be difficult to remove the soap from the seat, and you don't want that. So here I have my pre-mixed solution. This is my degreaser solution, and then I have my bucket with clean water. So what I'm going to do first, since you have no vacuum cleaner, you're going to try to remove whatever debris or whatever dust from the seat. So here's where your brush comes in handy. So the brush will get out some amount of the dust, as well as it will remove whatever debris is on the seat. So in the absence of the vacuum cleaner, this is what you want to do. I'm not certain if you can catch it on camera, but the dust is actually coming out of the seat, and that will make the cleaning process much easier, because you would have gotten rid of some of the existing dirt from the seat. The next thing that you want to do now is to get your rag with your detergent, and you're going to squeeze the rag to remove some of the water, and you simply go to work and you start wiping down your seat. If your microfiber towel becomes a little bit dirty, this is where the second bucket of water will come in handy, because it contains the clean water. So you simply rinse your microfiber towel in the clean water to remove the excessive dirt. remove as much water as you can, and you continue to wipe down. Now earlier in the video I told you that we'll be using 2 microfiber towel, and once you have finished cleaning the seat to your satisfaction, the seat is going to be a little bit damp. So in order to remove the excessive moisture, that's where the second microfiber towel will come into play. And what you're attempting to do is to remove as much moisture as possible to reduce the drying time, so the seat will dry in a much faster time. You repeat this step right throughout for the entire vehicle. Use the cleaning solution followed by the clean water, and then you use your microfiber towel, clean microfiber towel, to remove as much moisture from the seat as possible. And that's how you clean your seats without using any form of machinery, without using any form of equipment. It's quite actually, it takes a little time, but it is doable. And now if you have a seat that is badly soiled, instead of just simply using the rag, what you can do is to dip the brush in the detergent and use it to assist with the cleaning process, after which you can then use the rag to wipe off the excess. A brush will assist greatly when you have excessive dirt. So after you have brushed and remove most of the dirt, then you can use your microfiber towel. So that's the dirt being lifted. If you enjoyed the video, remember to like, share and subscribe, and you can leave a comment and I will be sure to respond to it, or if you have any questions. Until we meet again, be safe.